You've seen it all over your feed Instagram reels, with chia-packed smoothies and TikTok detox shots loaded with papaya seeds. These tiny seeds are hailed as superfoods, labeled with flashy promises of health transformation. But here's the truth. While chia and papaya seeds offer real benefits: fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, they aren't always harmless. In fact, one of them might be quietly compromising your health. Picture this. Chia seeds, if eaten dry, absorb up to 27 times their weight in water. That's enough to form a Play-Doh-like gel ball that can get stuck in your esophagus, even requiring emergency removal. Papaya seeds, despite being used for digestive and anti-parasitic remedies, contain compounds like benzyl isothiocyanate that at high dose have damaged liver cells, broken DNA, and cause cirrhosis in animal studies. So here's the big question. Which seed is truly more dangerous, chia seeds or papaya? And more importantly, what do you need to know to use them safely? In this video, we break down Nutrition Powerhouse. Chia seeds deliver fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, antioxidants, protein, calcium, magnesium. Biggest risk: choking. These seeds absorb 10-27 times their weight in liquid. If eaten dry, they expand and can lodge in your throat. In one case, a man ate dried chia, drank water, and the seeds blocked his esophagus, requiring an ER visit. Fix: always soak them 10-30 minutes before consuming, or use chia pudding, chia fresca, or pre-soaked smoothies. Digestive distress. Suddenly, adding lots of fiber can cause bloating, gas, cramps, constipation, especially without enough water. Tip: start with just 1 tablespoon per day and increase gradually. Interactions and mineral concerns. Chia can lower blood sugar and blood pressure, great for many, but risky if you're on medication for diabetes or hypertension. They're also high in oxalates and phosphorus. People with kidney disease or history of kidney stones should be cautious. Papaya seeds. The undiscussed warning: nutrient and traditional use. Papaya seeds offer fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and have been used traditionally for digestive health and to control parasites. Hidden dangers. Toxicity. Animal studies have shown that high amounts of papaya seed extract can harm liver cells, damage DNA, and potentially lead to chronic liver injury and even cirrhosis. Though some rat, monkey fertility studies showed decreased sperm counts, effects reversed after stopping the seed intake. Digestive upset and medication impacts. Large doses can irritate the stomach. Papaya seeds also contain benzyl isothiocyanate, which may affect drug metabolism, especially liver-processed medications. Anti-parasitic caution. Yes, papaya seeds have anti-parasitic compounds, but studies are small, and trace cyanide-like compounds exist, meaning large quantities could be harmful. Which is more dangerous? Both seeds are nutrient-packed, but both carry significant risks when misused. Chia seeds pose immediate danger through choking, blockage, plus GI upset, medication interference, and kidney concern. Papaya seeds bring liver toxicity, mainly in lab animals, temporary fertility effects, digestive distress, and possible interactions with liver-processed drugs. Neither seed is universally worse. The danger depends on how much, how they're used, and who is consuming them. Chia appears riskier for physical blockage and GI issues, while papaya poses more systemic risks: liver, fertility, drug metabolism. How to use them safely. Chia seeds. Soak 10-30 minutes or overnight for pudding. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Start with just 1 tablespoon per day and then gradually increase. If you have swallowing issues, kidney stones, or on BP, diabetes, medications, talk to your doctor. Papaya seeds. Limit to 1 to 2 tablespoons. Avoid concentrated extracts unless directed by a professional. Don't use if pregnant or aiming to conceive. Consult your doctor if you have liver problems, fertility concerns, or take meds processed by the liver. Bottom line: choose wisely, based on your personal health context. Have swallowing issues or GI conditions? Chia seeds need pre-soaking and cautious use. Pregnant, trying to conceive, on liver-sensitive meds, or concerned about fertility? Papaya seeds are riskier for you. Always consult a healthcare provider before incorporating these superfoods into your routine, especially if you're on medications or have chronic conditions. The truth is, even superfoods can backfire when misused. You don't need to fear chia or papaya seeds, but you do need to respect their power. Before jumping on the next health trend, pause, ask questions, choose smart. If this helped you rethink those tiny powerhouses, hit like, share with someone you care about, and subscribe for more real health insights. No hype, just truth. Eat smart, stay informed, live well.